We're just walking down the street here, doing a little walkabout in town. Christmas Day, 0900 in the morning here. Car coming down. So everybody's got little flowers out here and everything. I better get back on the sidewalk here now. We're going to walk down the street here, a very narrow street. It's going to go down and get all the umbrellas up on top. We probably have lights there overnight too. So it's more of an alley, he said here, but we're going to be walking down here. We got some murals on the wall. Whatever here. Okay, let's go.
See, the construction material used in the 1800s, most of the time was coral. And this coral, I'm trying to point here, is called brain coral. This one right here. See?
Brain coral.
Right. That's why graffiti here doesn't last long. This painting on the walls, because El Callejón Angosto. Angosto is narrow in English, or in Spanish, I would say. We're lucky to be walking here on a holiday like today, because if we had come yesterday evening, for sure we would have been able to walk through this street, and not even with a whisper, you would have heard what I was saying, because it was loud. Like.
We got more little drawings on the wall here. Nice there. Drawing on the wall here. Just walking down the street here. All the lights at nighttime, this would be all lit up here and everything here. So, yeah. Got this guy here painted on here.
Who used to live here in the 1800s. Very low income people.
Is I love Getsemani. Getsemani.
If you come over here after taking your pictures of Getsemani,
Getsemani.
you can see also that paint.
Okay. Oh, we got more the butterflies up here and everything. The guy reading the book and all the butterflies coming out of his book like. Yeah, things. Well, we got air conditioning and a satellite dish, so it can't be all bad up there. So yeah, here you go. We're still walking down the street here. More decorations. You got this one here, painted lime green. With all the greenery and the lights up there for nighttime. Yeah. We got little palms over here now. And we got a decoration. We got another umbrella alley up here. So, yeah, look at all this up here. We're going to look down here. Another umbrella alley here. Look at this here. Little music playing down there. Little different umbrellas. These are all Johnny Walkers. The Johnny Walker alley here, I guess. Because the Johnny Walker building is down at the very end there. Okay. We got the kites up here. The money exchange here. And the Florida Exchange is coming here. Elkin. And we got this one here. You can see it's all in there. And we're coming up here to another one. Another one up here. There's one over here too. We got this here. All these different things on there. All beautiful decorations here. Right here, we got a little scary one right here. This looks real scary. Buffet de la Plaza. All right. And we just got some more on the other side. We're just going to be walking down here, and we've got cars coming. There's all our coconuts here. Yeah, we're going to have the coconut water here. Santi, our guide here, so we're here with Santi, our guide, and I'm just here. He's the man with all the knowledge here. Okay. got a big hole. Look at all the water in there.
Okay. Muchas gracias.
I'm going to do another vid here. So.
Chair Barry behind it.
Okay,
Mind the
car.
Would you like to?
Share these. Oh.
Opening up the little section in there. All right.
Okay.
Now, another thing about coconut water. I don't know if this gentleman has it, but normally there are people here who like to have some Cartagena rum.
Okay, I'm having the coconut water here. Here we go. Very good, very good. Yeah, coconut water. Another street here, so we're just across the street from where the coconut guy was. We got more murals on the wall here. They're nicely painted. She's got glasses on too. And we were just over there getting our coconut water across there with the guy. I made a little video over there too. Okay, there's the other street down there. And there's this one down here. And we got the highway and whatnot over there. Okay. Okay, we're heading back to the bus. That's a good sign. Going down the street here. No cars at the moment. We got the police ladies in front of us. And they're Feliz Navidad. So we can be safe because they're right there in front of us then. So yeah. Okay. The police. Okay, there we go. I haven't been arrested here yet, so I'm doing pretty good, I think. Okay. Today's December 25th, so streets are kind of deserted today because all the festivities they do on the 24th here. So, yeah, we got lights. They have lights on their windows there and everything. Okay. Walk through the park to get to our Chiva bus. Or do they also call that a chicken bus?
We also call it here chicken bus, but
Yeah.
more of the time we don't call it chicken bus, we call it chivas.
Chiva, okay. We're going to Chiva. Nice park, nice and cool in here in the shade. They're all decorated with lights at nighttime here too. Very nice here, okay. More fruits here. Cantaloupe, mango.
Oh, certainly.
And we got a statue. Yeah. And they got all stands around here for food and everything all over here. Okay.
Yeah.